Yeah, the first one's called Obliterary. My mind's a molded ocean flowing over with dense, impressionable, liable to impressions. Intentions masked with metal wax. Fill the space and see the brain go dumb. Relax. Trouble come here, flame tongue, go fill out taxes. Maxed out subjective seats are replete with bias. So mental states must in turn become sired, wired with loathing. Loathing's the clothing I wear to balls and dances. Their axes access made untenable, but still winnable. Oh, life's a game, but first one must define a game. Out of shame, I dig dames with big hips, curly dark hair and full lips. Take sips, but never gulp. Mine's still clogged with implacable pulp. Oh, fiction's a tease of the mind's tendrils ease. Feminine abysses confronted with the big drill. Pills will relax, cause relapse into shell. All's well, fell voices tell me. Lobotomy is a hobby, just like skydiving. Blue drop ripples the air like white cloud tithing. Writhing hair follows suit, tacking the trail of loud screams mute. Oh, what could one do to renew feelings that once made trite during tough sessions experienced deep in the night? Wounds make the knives they describe, while sides make crops arable, but it once makes death's strife more terrible. So I fashion more coatings of persona, while my frame pro bono becomes bloated. Tiny dreams toted as I wrote it. Wrote it? Written, bitten by a garless snake that spits words instead of venom that desiccates. So please, be dumb under current's thumb. Be my proctorus bellum. Use a gavel or a sledge while I blow smoke rings and scoot towards the edge. You said you'd never leave, but you see, all trees go through their winters. For me, the cold makes my mind more limber, and despite the lingering stings that ice brings, I'll still never forget the last time I heard you sing. Voice captured, frozen, yet still fleeting. Thank you.